Hello guys, flash.fnx. Today we're going to discuss about the truck driver token. Yeah, today will not be a facecam video because the camera has died, but I will get it. I get it up and running in the next videos. So, getting into the website here, truck driver token is a utility token on the Binance Smart Chain. It is a native token used in the exclusive NFT marketplace. It is an innovative NFT virtual ride-along platform. We can check the light paper over here, so we can see that purchase digital ride-alongs with real truck drivers. So large file NFTs, are possible with IPFS protocol, and purchase lottery tickets on truck driver tokens in-house lottery game. A digital ride-along is where anyone in the world can take a trip through the eyes of a truck driver. These trips may be for days at a time, covering great distances. People will be able to see new places they have only dreamed of, from crowded cities in dense metropolis to vast open areas where the driver's landscapes unfold before the viewer's eyes. Each ride-along will display the starting and end points, geographical location, distance, measurement, and length time of trips in the description. So yeah, all truck drivers will go through a verification process. As the developer of this project and working truck driver, he knows there will be a huge market for this innovative service. Taking a look at the website, we can scroll a bit down. We can see meet the developer behind the truck driver token. This is Matthew, and here is his wife. On the why choose truck driver token for your investment section, great vision tokenomics and developers that interact with the community daily, combined with a new NFT virtual ride along concept, this project will go far. So there's 100% liquidity locked from pre-sale. It was locked for 1 year. We can see the proof by clicking over here. 75% of developers tokens locked for 2 years, and it is burnable but not mintable token with verified smart contract. Taking a look at the roadmap, so deployment on the Binance Smart Chain, marketing for pre-sale, application sent for CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and BSC Scan. In June, social media presence, community engagement, promotion deals. July to September 2021, development of NFT marketplace, implementation of community ideas, marketing and partnership with artists. October to December 2021, deployment, marketing push, unique NFT giveaways. NFT marketplace goes alive, featuring collectibles with original characters and unique cool semi-trucks, all with their own attributes and stats. January to March 2021, NFT virtual ride-alongs marketplace beta testing, NFT virtual ride-alongs launch, and continued growth and success. I will highly suggest you guys and encourage you guys to go and follow the Twitter account and as well join the Telegram group. Here is the chart as this token was released exactly 2 days ago. We can see the market cap of 70,000. BSC Scan, we can see that there's currently 108 holders at the moment, so this is very early. You can buy truck token on the Pancake swap, so just put whatever amount of BNB, click on swap, confirm the swap, MetaMask will give a notification, click on confirm. They have a video on YouTube explaining a brief and short explanation from the developers. It is a video explaining what this token does and what it has to offer. I'll link the video into the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and check truck driver token. The links all will be in the description. Flash out.